Tech and clips.
Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new on here, you're very much welcome. My name is Philip. This is Philiminizzy Reacts. On this channel, we do music reactions to your favorite songs, your favorite bands, your favorite artists. And if it's the kind of content you're very much interested in, tap in, subscribe to the channel, join the family. So all love, no negativity up in here. Yes, we are back with more music reaction. This one will be coming from Boston. You guys already know Boston is like my favorite, one of my favorite rock bands. Yes, suggested by you guys. This song is titled "Cool the Engines." Cool the Engines. Yes, after the last Boston reaction that we did, had tons and tons of Boston songs to check out. So yeah, this happens to be one of them. Yes, never heard this song. It's the first time listen, first time reaction. So yeah, sit back, relax, and let's dig right in. Boston with "Cool the Engines." Let's go. Okay, our Boston sound. Woo. Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah, that was Boston with "Cool the Engines." Wow, wow, definitely, definitely loved this song. You know, you have to admit. I mean, Boston. I always say this, and I'm definitely going to continue to say it. They have their own unique sound. Their their own melodies, their own harmonies. In terms of their instrumentation, is so unique. I can just be walking down the street. I hear the instrumentation. I'd be like, okay, that's a Boston sound. That is how good and that's how good and distinct their sound is. This song "Cool the Engines" is definitely written by Brad Delp, the lead singer, and then Tom Shows. I mean, most of their songs they usually write these songs. Yes, Brad Delp, Tom Shows, right? "Cool the Engines." I mean, based off of the lyrics, let's talk about the instrumentation first. The instrumentation is definitely up rock, up tempoed, upbeat sort of a rock melody, right? And then a catchy chorus, "Cool the angels," like those melodies will just be ringing in your head, right? In terms of based off of the lyrics, this song is talking about the fact that sometimes as humans we just need to take a break, take a break and relax, and sometimes we just have to take a chill pill, find solace in the midst of all the chaos and conflicts around us. We are, as human beings, we're living, there's chaos, there is we're all bent on achieving goals. Sometimes we have to push ourselves into achieving what we have to achieve. Sometimes if whatever we want to achieve is not in yet, you just need to take a chill pill. You just have to relax and just relax sometimes, and then you start all over again. So I feel like the cooling of the engine is like a more like a metaphor for humans. Just to chill sometimes, relax. Whilst we pursue our goals, and in the midst of chaos and everything, you just have to find solace, find peace. That's like the ultimate. That's just what the song is all about. And I mean, I love the way they performed it, the melodies, the harmonies, the guitar riffs, the guitar plays, the instrumentation to this song is just amazing. Everything about this song I definitely loved. Yes. Let me know if you want us to do more reactions, from Boston, more suggestions down in the comment section, and I'll definitely come to listen, react, and then we take it from there. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me, from the jump. Thank you for the views, the subscriptions, for everything. You guys have been amazing, and the love is deep. So yeah, on to the next music reaction. Take care, stay safe, and then peace out.